unboxing of a beauty box from Lookfantastic for a month of October. If you are not familiar with what Lookfantastic beauty box it is, I want to tell you that this is a monthly subscription which delivers you 6 beauty items, and the price vary between 13 and 15 pounds depending of the period that you are subscribing. If you are subscribing for a year, then you will pay only 13 pounds. The total value of the box is over 45 pounds, and what is also important, there is a free delivery worldwide, so wherever you are in the world you receive this wonderful Lookfantastic beauty box with no price for shipping. So we have this green box, we have the booklet, and also the L magazine. In no particular order. So this is what is inside the box. Now let's see. First we have here the sneak peek for the November month. So this, it is the Mellow Cosmetic Liquid Precision Pen Eyeliner in a shade black. So I'm looking forward for next month. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, October. As we start to suffer from post-summer blues, this month's box is all about embracing positive energy and self-care through beauty. Get ready to pamper yourself with 6 amazing products that will not only leave you shining on the outside, but pampered on the inside too. In this magazine, you will be exploring the power of crystals, hidden gems around the world, a guide to a sparkling makeup, and exclusive Q&A with celebrity makeup artist Bryony Blake. The beauty box team. Ooh, so this is exciting. This time I will just choose a product from the box, and I will then read the description. So first I see this Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox. It looks like this. And we have here, Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox. Transform your skin with the Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox, an innovative foaming charcoal mask that contains thousands of nourishing microbubbles. On contact with skin, the formula effectively detoxes, hydrates, and unclogs blocked spores to banish all impurities, revealing clear, bright, and glowing skin. How to use it? Unfold the mask and lay it on the clean, dry face. A fine, dense foam will form. After 10 minutes, take off the mask, massage the foam on your face and rinse. Oh, so this is nice because you have to keep it only 10 minutes, so it's not so time-consuming mask. Excepting the Glam Glow mask, which I also love, and also I have a review for it on my channel. I will link that video down below. I prefer this type of, not this mask particularly, but this presentation of masks. So I'm looking forward to test this mask. Second item, I see that is a product from Pixie by Petra, and Fresh Face Blush in shade Beach Rose. Oh, it's sealed, so probably I will break some nail, so get some help. So guys, I think this is a full size. I don't know if you can see. Really neutral, appropriate shade for me. So I will definitely enjoy using this blush. And the formula, it's really soft and blends into the skin like butter. So I'm really happy for this blush. Pixie by Petra. I don't know, so what is written here? Let's see. This natural blush will add a healthy glow to your complexion with its warm toned color. This cult brand focuses on creating pure and botanical infused formulas that gives the skin a radiant and fresh appearance. Enhance your own natural beauty with this fresh face blush. Yes, I'm definitely loving this blush. What we have here next? We have this ageless throat and décolletage cream. Yeah, so it's from the brand Prey. Did you know your neck ages faster than your face? Well, this #1 selling cream by Prey is going to be an absolute lifesaver. The weightless, fast-absorbing formula improves creepy skin, double chins, droopy jaws, and chalky necks with visible results in just 7 days. Ooh. The ingredients of mulberry, saxifrage, and grape seeds extract combine to brighten and diminish age spots and discoloration whilst shea butter hydrates. How to use? Apply in gentle upward strokes from cleavage to chin in AM and PM. So it has a very pleasant scent, not very powerful. So I'm really looking forward to test this cream. Because yeah, ladies, we should also take care of our décolletage area and on the neck area, not only our face. Next product is Dr. Lip Tint. Dr. Lip Elderberry Lip Tint or Original Nipple Balm for dry skin. So this month you either get this tint, this lip tint, or you will get the nipple balm for dry skin. A global cult beauty staple designed to leave lips soft and smooth with a high gloss finish. Originally created as a nipple balm for breastfeeding women, it became an essential amongst top celebrity makeup artists to create extra long-lasting lip gloss and priming before makeup. Use this either to relieve chapped lips, or to intensely moisturize areas of dry skin. It's a bit dark for my complexion, but it's sheer. Oh yes, I feel that it's really thick, but if you blend it, it will be absorbed, and probably the intensity of the color is going. So I'm looking forward to try this tint lip during the winter. Night Renewal Complex from Monu Skin. Fresh and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. This lavish treatment ensure you wake up brighter with an improved natural elasticity of your skin. Containing marine collagen and polysaccharides, the complex revitalizes your complexion, whilst the fine lines are smoothed out, firmness is restored, and sign of aging is prevented. How to use it? After cleansing and toning, massage into face and neck every night using gentle upwards movements. So we can use this every night. Yeah, of course, because it's called Night Renewal Complex. So I'm looking forward to test this. We arrived to the last product for today, and it's Ahava Mineral Body Lotion. This incredible body lotion uses the power of Dead Sea water rich in skin-friendly minerals such as magnesium, calcium and potassium, increase skin moisture level, providing all-day comfort. Let the formula nourishing your dry, itchy skin. And speaking about itchy, I started to have an itch. Let the formula nourishing your dry, itchy skin and provide refreshing hydration in a fast-absorbing formula that will not leave the skin greasy or sticky. Also, I love this because I don't like to have a greasy skin. How to use it? Apply generously on clean skin after a bath or shower. Oh, the scent is incredible, guys. It's really breathtaking. I love this kind of scents. Okay, so this is all we got for the month of October, guys. In total, we have a blush, we have a lip tint, we have a mask, neck cream, face complex renewal for night, and body lotion. So not bad for this month. I think since I started to make the review, this is the best beauty box that I'm presenting, coming from Lookfantastic. So I'm really happy for the month of October. Thank you very much for watching and liking, subscribing to my channel. I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. Take care, bye bye!